Cleaning delicate equipment. There are many hard-wearing items found in a kitchen, and they are relatively easy to clean. However, there are some items that need more care and attention. In this lesson, we will be covering cleaning electrical equipment safely, polishing copper, and polishing silver. Some equipment, such as surfaces, spoons, whisks, and bowls, are relatively uncomplicated to clean. Electrical equipment is a different story because you cannot use water the way you would for small kitchen equipment. Remember that water and electricity is a dangerous combination which could result in electrocution and even death. Let's get started with cleaning electrical equipment safely. Follow these steps to clean electrical equipment safely. Step 1. Turn off the power at the plug. Step 2. Remove the plug from the power source, but only touch the plastic plug casing. Step 3. Remove any detachable pieces from the appliance that have no electrical sockets and can be washed in the ware-washing machine. Step 4. Spray detergent disinfectant onto the appliance and leave for 1 minute. The outside of the appliance is not a direct food contact surface, so it only needs 1 minute contact time. Step 5. Using a clean paper towel, wipe the machine to remove excess chemical, using toothpicks or toothbrushes for the grooves if necessary. Take care to avoid touching electrical openings. Step 6. Using dry, clean paper towel, dry the machine thoroughly. Step 7. Wash the loose parts in the ware-washing machine and dry with paper towel. And lastly, Step 8. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble the machine. Here is a quick recap on how to clean electrical equipment. Step 1. Turn off. Step 2. Remove plug. Step 3. Disassemble. Step 4. Detergent disinfectant. Step 5. Wipe. Step 6. Dry. Step 7. Wash. And lastly, Step 8. Reassemble. An important point to remember with equipment is that if you start a job, you must finish it. For example, if you begin washing a food processor and leave it in the sink to go for lunch, your colleague may put his hand in the sink and cut himself on the blades. In a kitchen, always aim to be proactive and not reactive. Being proactive means that you anticipate or predict a problem and fix it before it happens, resulting in a safer and healthier working environment. Now let's look at polishing copper. Copper is a metal that tarnishes easily, meaning that the metal becomes dull after it has been exposed to air or water over time. Because it is polished with harsh chemicals, it must be carefully cleaned before it can be exposed to food, because copper cannot be washed like stainless steel and may be harmful to guests or colleagues. Follow these steps to clean copper properly. Step 1. Pour a small amount of copper or brass polish, such as Goddard's, onto some disposable paper towel and cover the copper, working in gentle circular motions. Step 2. Leave the polish on for a minute. And Step 3. Then remove the polish with fresh paper towel. Let's have a quick recap on how to polish copper. Step 1. Polish. Step 2. 1 minute. Step 3. Remove. Now that you have copper polishing mastered, let's learn about polishing silver. Silver is a precious metal that, like copper, tarnishes after it has been exposed to air or moisture for prolonged periods of time. To clean silver so that it looks brand new, follow these steps. Step 1. Place undiluted silver cleaner, such as Diverse's D8, into a deep bucket. Step 2. Dip the silver item into the cleaner and leave for 30 to 60 seconds. Step 3. Remove the silver from the cleaner and rinse in clean, cold water. And Step 4. Dry thoroughly with paper towel. Let's have a quick recap of polishing silver. Step 1. Silver cleaner. Step 2. Dip. Step 3. Rinse. And Step 4. Dry. Well done on learning how to clean delicate and electrical equipment. Always remember to wear any PPE necessary